Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi friends. My name is Shafa Pramesheila. I am from Polytechnic APP Jakarta. My major is Marketing Management Industri Elektronika. And for who doesn't know, I'm very love cooking and eating. So, in this video, I would like to cooking Chinese food. The name is CHAWANMUSHI or steamed egg. Without for any further ado, let's get started. Before I cook the CHAWANMUSHI, I need some ingredients. 1 egg, half teaspoon of salt, 100 ml of chicken stock, sausage, 25 gram of cheese, fork, bowl, filter, and steaming pan in my kitchen. Now, let's go to the step 1. First, crack the egg and put into the bowl. Next, we stir. Next, I'll be adding in half of teaspoon of salt. And now stir and mix it with fork until blended well. Okay, after mix like this, pour 100 ml chicken stock. Well, this is done. Now I'll be poured to new bowl and filter for make sure no bubbles or semi-solid in the egg mixture. This is the mug. If you don't have CHAWANMUSHI cup, you can steam it in little bowl. Fill them until 3/4 full. Add cheese and sausage. For the topping, you can add whatever you want. I like sausage and I put it and cheese. So it's time to steam them. Make sure your fire setting is low heat. Guys, now I'm in the kitchen, and don't forget to cover your CHAWANMUSHI because we don't want the boil of the water drop into your CHAWANMUSHI. And setting the fire is low heat. Okay, and now we will steam the chawanmushi. Be careful. Okay, and cover. And we steam it in 20 minutes. Okay, bye-bye. Hi, this is the chawanmushi is ready to serve. Come on, we look. Look how beautiful it is. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like this video and I hope you can practice this recipe in your home, with your parents, with your sister, brother, and thank you for your watching and see you next time. Bye.